let's dive into 4 amazing spots in Japan, way off the beaten path.
So, you're thinking about Japan. Most people just think of Tokyo, right?
But we're gonna look past the bright city lights to find its real soul.
First up, we're heading back in time to 2 cities just full of history.
That's Nikko and Nara. Both are like a window into Japan's amazing past.
Nikko is home to the shrine of Tokugawa Ieyasu, the shogun who unified Japan.
The main shrine there is just stunning, with incredible gates and famous sculptures.
You've probably heard this. It's about having a good mind, speech, and actions.
Okay, now let's jump way, way back, all the way to the year 710. That's when Nara became the very first permanent capital of Japan.
You have to see Todaiji Temple. It has this enormous bronze Buddha inside. But Japan isn't just about ancient history. It's got epic mountains too. So let's check out 2 spots famous for their incredible mountain views. Toyama is perfect if you love hiking. It's a great base for alpine tours. You can take the amazing alpine route and try some awesome local seafood.
All right, next up, think back to 1998. Something big happened here.
That's right, Nagano, home of the Winter Olympics and some amazing ski resorts.
And you know what? It's actually super easy to go skiing here, even for beginners.
Okay, so besides history and mountains, you can meet some pretty famous locals. In Nara Park, wild deer just wander around everywhere. They're not afraid of people at all. You can even buy special crackers to feed them. And get this, some will bow. And over in Nagano, you'll find the famous snow monkeys, just chilling in hot springs.
So let's do a quick recap of these 4 incredible and very different places.
Each one offers a totally unique experience, something you're not going to forget.
So, what's it going to be for you? Ancient history or epic mountain peaks?